I get it. You're looking for ways to make money online from the comfort of your own home. This is a lifestyle that we all dream about. Well, I can't make you a millionaire overnight. But on this channel, I'm gonna show you ways that you can start earning a little extra money as soon as possible. Remember to subscribe so you don't miss out on any uploads teaching you different ways of making money online. Let's take a look at adwallet.com. On this website, you get rewarded for watching videos from the brands you care about. Each interaction only takes a few minutes and is worth up to $3. If you scroll down, you can see how it all works. You start by receiving a text when it's time to log in and watch a short video. They pick the video for you. Then, you get rewarded a minimum of 50 cents and up to $3 per video interaction, which is an amazingly easy way to start making money. And that's not all. You can earn even more money by referring a friend, and you can download different offers from brands you know and love. You can see down here that they have paid out over $1 million in rewards to their users in the first 12 months. This is a legit company with a great reputation, and you can see that it's easy to get paid. They offer to pay you in your card, they can convert it into a gift card, or even make a donation. Click on the sign up button, and that's you ready to start earning easy money. Make sure you subscribe and like the video so you don't miss any regular updates on how to make money online. Thanks again. Bye.